Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to cover a pretty common question, and that is how to live with a non-minimalist. I know the answer, but you need to promise me that you will keep it a secret and never tell anyone. Okay, first thing you need to do is to make sure that your partner or your roommate or apartment mate is sleeping, like a deep sleep. While he's sleeping, you need to go over all his stuff. Just take everything. It doesn't matter what it is. His favorite shirt, take it. The gift he received from his mother, take it. A photo with his ex-girlfriend, take it. Okay, and then you need to take all that stuff and throw it away. But throw it away, like somewhere they cannot reach, like in a lake or in a river. And when they wake up, you can just say that you were sleeping and you don't know anything about his stuff. Well, you nailed it. Now he doesn't have anything else. You can just stay and relax in an empty home.
No!
Yes, don't do that. Don't do that if you still want to be friend with that person, or if you still want to have a husband or a boyfriend or something like that. No, that's the worst thing you can do. I know people who did this. They were so tired of all the crap around them, and they just went into other people's stuff and throw away things that they seem like not important, but actually they had a really big value for the owner. So yeah, don't do that. What can you do is to lead by example. If you have good habits in general, they will take those habits, not just in a day, but if they will see that you are so happy with so little stuff, with only 3 t-shirts and 2 pair of shoes, they will just take it as an example. They will want to declutter because you declutter. They will feel that it was their own idea. It's not something that you forced them to do. Another thing you can do is to take that person with you when you are donating stuff, and that way they can see that the stuff that maybe you consider crap, it's actually something someone else could value. Another thing is to share all your earnings, like, look, I sold this on eBay and I sold this on Marketplace, and that's how much money I got. And they will be like, I want money too. I will sell my stuff too. Another idea, especially if this person who is not a minimalist and it's his or her spending habits are like crazy, in that way a good idea is to have your budget separated. Yes, in these days this is pretty common. If they want to spend money, they will spend their money, not your hard-worked money. Another great solution is to tell them how much it costs to buy something, and I'm not talking about money right now. For example, you want to buy a new pair of shoes. Okay, but how much that will cost? And okay, I'm not referring how much money will that cost. I'm referring how much of your time. How much would you need to work to afford those shoes? 1 day, 2 days? Is it worth it? 2 days of your life just to have a pair of shoes that maybe you will wear once a year. Is it really worth it? It's your time, and your time it's limited. And we don't know how much time we have. Maybe we have 60 years or 80 years, but maybe we only have 10 days. Would you give 2 days for a pair of shoes? Really? Wouldn't it be better to spend that time with someone you love, with your kids, with your pet, with your family, with your friends? And the best advice that I can give is to be patient, to not force anything, to not put pressure on that person, because you will have the reverse effect of having them declutter and minimize. I hope this helped you at least a little bit. See you in the next video. Bye bye.